Welcome. In this lesson, we will talk about what homework and checkpoint tasks are and how to create them in SendPulse. Homework assignments help reinforce knowledge and check how well students have understood the material. You can add assignments to each lesson, receive answers manually or automatically, and leave comments for feedback. Choose the task element below the main content of the desired lesson and enter the assignment instructions in the text field. You can also add additional materials to the assignment: text blocks, images, audio files, indents, or lines. To do this, click the plus sign on the left side below the element. Let's enable the Auto Accept Answers feature for simple tasks to avoid manually grading every submission. Activate the toggle in the right panel and set the time when the answer will be accepted after submission, either immediately or after a certain delay. The After option means the assignment will be automatically marked as accepted after the chosen time period. Assignments without this option enabled can be graded manually in the assignment answer section. You can also use checkpoint tasks as a control point in your course. A checkpoint task is a milestone. The student cannot move on to the next materials until they complete all assignments in that lesson. This helps increase engagement and draw attention to key topics. Checkpoint tasks are also helpful for course creators, as they highlight which parts of the course may need more focus in the theoretical material. To add control elements, you can mark specific course content as a checkpoint test or checkpoint lesson directly in the lesson or test, or configure linear course progression. Go to the lesson builder, click the three dots and select Lesson Settings. Enable Checkpoint Lesson. You can then add all necessary materials and assignments to that lesson. Go to the test builder, click the three dots and select Test Settings. Enable Checkpoint Test. To set up linear course progression, go to the course settings and in the course lesson flow section, select the option "A new lesson becomes available after completing the previous lesson." Now students won't be able to move forward until the current stage is completed and graded. That's it. This is how easily you can add homework and checkpoint tasks to your course. See you in the next lecture.